Not all incense is the same. Some are meant for prayers, others for peace. At Oud Vietnam, we offer both. And today, we'll help you choose. Core incense, went with a slim bamboo stick, is perfect for rituals. It burns long, fills space with sacred scent, and marks presence. For prayer rooms, ancestor altars, and outdoor offerings. Then there's coreless incense. No stick, no distraction. Just pure agarwood, gently pressed. Ideal for meditation, yoga, and quiet spaces. For sacred rituals or spacious rooms, choose core incense. It lasts longer, spreads far, and honors tradition. For stillness, breathing, and personal space, choose coreless incense. It burns quieter, with less smoke, and brings clarity to your moment. No matter your choice, make sure it's pure, natural, and chemical-free. At Oud Vietnam, each incense stick is crafted with care. No perfume, no fillers, just true agarwood. Whether you light incense for ancestors or for your soul, choose the one that speaks to your space. Explore our incense collections and let the scent guide you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next video.